According to a report by Singapore's Lianhe Xiaobao, the Tuas North Basin, located between Tuas View Industrial Park and Jurong Industrial Area, is slated to begin a reclamation project in 2025. Currently, Tuas and Tuas South together span approximately 2,200 hectares of industrial land, with a sea area equivalent to around 240 football fields. The project is expected to be completed by 2029. JTC Corporation, overseeing the project, has mentioned that the reclamation aims to meet future industrial land needs and promote the rejuvenation of older areas within Jurong and Tuas industrial areas. Additionally, the reclaimed land will be utilized for constructing infrastructure and roads to establish connections between Tuas South and Tuas Port. Concerning the environmental impact of reclamation, JTC Corporation will collaborate with the National Environment Agency on a pilot project using waste incineration bottom ash as a reclamation material. The organizations have reportedly selected a site beneath a drainage channel in the Tuas North Basin for controlled testing, utilizing approximately 25,000 cubic meters of waste incineration bottom ash. Before 1965, Singapore focused its land reclamation efforts primarily along coastal areas due to economic needs and engineering constraints. The pace of land reclamation was relatively sluggish during this period. However, in August 1965, Singapore gained independence. Faced with a burgeoning population, limited land resources, and the necessity to shift from an inward-oriented economy, Singapore adopted an export-oriented approach, actively engaging in globalization. In pursuit of this goal, Singapore needed to actively promote large-scale industrial construction within its constrained territory. However, the development of such industries demanded substantial land requirements. The Jurong area in the southwest of Singapore, chosen for this purpose, featured desolate landscapes devoid of residents. Importantly, the abundance of hills in this region allowed for their reshaping through land reclamation, creating ample space for future development. In 1991, the Singaporean government decided to merge 7 small islands south of Jurong into Jurong Island, expanding it from 10 to 32 square kilometers through land reclamation. In 1975, Changi Airport was built, covering 13.75 square kilometers after land reclamation and expansion, marking a period of rapid reclamation in Singapore. In the first decade of the 21st century, Singapore's reclamation rate surged by 1,184.6%, surpassing the previous decade. Apart from Semakau Island Sea, projects included the opening of Tuas New Port, Jurong Industrial Zone, Jurong Island Emerging Industrial Zone, Changi Airport Expansion, Datek Kong Island Project. Post-2010, Singapore initiated the Industry 21 plan, aiming to establish itself as a global center for knowledge-led industries. This led to a robust development of emerging industries. Consequently, the proportion of land reclamation plans allocated for industry gradually decreased, prioritizing land for long-term development, and reclamation preparations were implemented. Reclamation has significantly expanded Singapore's land and propelled economic development, but it has also brought about serious consequences. Large-scale land reclamation in Singapore has resulted in ecological issues, including the near extinction of mangroves and the degradation of coral reefs in local waters. Additionally, water pollution and turbidity have contributed to the gradual decline of other fish species.
Tune in every Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. for Qingxiao View, the Business Bridge.